Coming into the end of the year, here's the Astro Excel for the first couple days of the last week of December. Coming into Monday morning on the 30th, right at midnight, we bottom out on the green line and we get a sharp move up over 2 days up to the plus 20 area. We got points where the blue line is in sync, indicating what should be some positive upside movements. A couple of points of interest. This will be another abbreviated week with the holiday, so we're probably closing at 1 o'clock on Tuesday. So where both of these peak out here right about noon. Probably want to be out of anything at that point. But that's a quick look after that flat area that we had last week. That ends today, Sunday, and at midnight tonight we hit this this bottom, and then these areas where I've got the red arrows. Everything's moving up. We get into the quiet time, and then we have some sync here about 7 a.m. till about 11 on Tuesday morning, where both lines are in sync together. These times for Monday morning, where the lines are in sync, are from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m., then again 9 a.m. to noon, and then again at about 1500 into the evening at 1800. So that's the trend for the early part of the week. We'll be back later with the further outlook.